Hi everyone. So in this video, I just want to run you quickly through about how I have Blackboard set up. I'll talk about this some more on Wednesday, but I just want to show you really quickly so you can find the things that you're looking for. So if you look over here on the left-hand side, you can see the announcements button is first. And here it has all of the emails that I send out to you. So that email that I've sent out to you earlier about welcome you to the class and all that, that's there, and so you can find those there in the announcements. If you look in contact information, you will find, sorry, the computer lags when I'm making a video. You can find information. I've got my email, my phone number, where my office is, what my office hours are, and also a picture of me in case you want to have that. You also have under discussion boards, we will be having a number of discussion boards throughout the semester. I will put them in the individual folders for that day, but you can always find them here as well. I've got an Ask Me Anything discussion board. That's not required. That's just there to ask me anything. If you have any questions about the class, you can post there. And then if you're having a question, you can look on there and see if somebody's already asked the question. So just another way for people to get in touch with me if they want to, but you don't have to post anything there. And this is our first discussion board that's in there. So you can always find those in the discussion board folder. The My Grades folder has all of the assignments that I've given and lists the point counts. So far you've got the Ask Me Anything discussion board, which is there. It's only 1 point. It has to be worth something. And so I have it worth 1 point, which really doesn't matter. There's 1,000 points in the semester, so that's kind of like extra credit. But the first discussion board is there, is worth 40 points. As we go through and I have assignments, they will be listed in here. These are blank because they have not yet been completed. And so you can always get a list here of what the assignments that I've given are, what the point values are, and where you stand with that. And so if if you've completed and it says 40 out of 40, you're done. If it's blank, or sometimes I'll give a 1 grade will mean that there's something else that I need you to do. And so if you have that, you need to contact me, and you can just keep track of what your grades are as you go through there. The January 3rd folder, we're going to come back to that in just a second. That's in some ways the most important one, but we'll do that last. Down here under Learning Resources, information about what to do about disabilities resources. And so if you have any type of disability, and you feel like you need some help, extra time, or anything to be able getting in and out of class, whatever it is, you can go there and they can help you out. We've got the learning centers for tutoring, the library you probably won't need, but that's there. Blackboard help if you need that. So those are the main things that we have there. And then we'll come back to January 3rd. What I'm going to do is for each day of class that we have, I'm going to have a folder. Okay. I haven't yet posted the folders for Wednesday the 4th, Thursday the 5th, going on through the rest of the week. So far, I only have January 3rd here. But what I'll have in every folder is I will have a to read, right? I have a folder that says to read, and then I will tell you what's in there. And so in the schedule that I have, I'll also post the schedule in there, but in the schedule it says that you're supposed to read Panama and Hiding Places, right? So if you look in here, you can see Panama and Hiding Places, as well as the syllabus, are there in that you're supposed to review as well. Those are all in the to read folder. And if you click on this, they should all be there. If I've done my work, well, I did not yet put the syllabus there, but I will before I get this, before I open this up for you. It's nice. It tells me what's supposed to be in there, and I need to remember to put that in there. So I'll put the syllabus in there. So when you look at this, you'll see the syllabus. Then to watch or listen to, you have the syllabus video, Introduction to Blackboard video, and the Panama and Hiding Places video. And I think all of those are in there. So all those are in there, and so you'll just click on those and watch those videos. And then down here, you've got the Panama and Hiding Place discussion board and the Ask Me Anything discussion board. Again, those are available in the discussion board section, but they're also available here. So you can just click on these and complete them, and it actually has instructions if you haven't yet done a discussion board about how to do that. So that's just keep that in mind. Every folder that I do this semester will look like this. It'll have the to read, to watch or listen to complete. It'll also have the schedule for the week up there. And so whenever you click on there, you'll know, okay, do I need to read something for today? Do I need to watch or listen to something for today? Do I need to complete anything for today? And so you just work through these folders, read, watch or listen, complete, and then if you do everything in those folders, then you have completed all the assignments. So just keep that in mind as we're moving forward. And again, if you have any questions about this, I will answer those in class on Wednesday.